how to use avatar on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can create avatar on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on this menu icon right here. Now tap on settings option right here. You scroll down, you will see avatar right here. Tap on it. Now you can just tap on make your avatar. Now once you do that, you can create from selfie or create manually as well. You can create from selfie by tapping on create from selfie and pick your selfie and create from it. But for now, let me just create manually. Tap on create manually, and you can get started with your skin tone. Choose the skin tone like this. Now once you choose your skin tone, you can tap on next and choose your hairstyle like this and tap on next. Now you can choose your face shape from here, and you can also adjust it like this. Adjust it from here. Your chin size like this. You can tap on see all and see all of the face shape from here, and just add the one you like by choosing it from here. Now once you are done with it, all you have to do is tap on next. Now you can also choose body type. Choose your body type and tap on save and continue. And just like that, you created your avatar. Now you can do many more styling from here, like you can add a costume to it like this. You can also change the hairstyle, your makeup like this. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.